Ndewono, hello, no, welcome. I humble Ifi Yokiche, the honor of preserve our heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today we're going to continue with our POH Student Spotlight series. The spotlight today is going to be on Divine Aniebuna, and he is from New Jersey. Here he comes.
Ndewonu. No. My name is Divine Chikamso Anebula, and today I'm going to be telling you guys what I learned from my POH Beginners Igbo class. So today I'm going to start off by talking about the Akukuahu, and that means body parts. And the Akukuahu that we learned these past 2 weeks is Ihu, face, Imi, nose, Nti, ears, Anya, eyes, Ire, tongue. And we also learned some greetings. Ututoma, which isn't commonly used, it means good morning. And Hihoma, which also isn't commonly used, it means good afternoon. And Kachifo, which is commonly used, means good night. And Kedu means how are you, and the common response is Odima, which means I'm fine. And Ndewo, which I said in the beginning the video, it means hello, but Ndewo nu means you're talking to multiple people. And Kamesia means goodbye. Dalu means thank you or well done. Imela just means thank you. And Dalu Rene means thank you very much. Now we're going to be talking about the Onuagugu, which is numbers. And the Onuagugu that we learned from the numbers 1 to 9. Otu, Abo, Ato, Ano, Ise, Isi, Asa, Asata, Itolu. So yeah. And we also learned that Dibia means native doctor. Dibia Beke means medical doctor. And we learned that food is Inri, and Miri is water. Chere is weight. We learned that Azu is fish, Aqua is egg. And we learned that Ngwangworo is truck, Ulo means is house. So yeah, that is what I learned for these past 2 weeks in my POH Beginners Igbo class. Thank you for watching. Dalu, Kamesia.